Deputy CEM ka KHADC Bah PN Syiem mulapan pau ka Sngewkmen iakynduh ikila pathai khubor ni channel Bah PN na po ka jylla Maharashtra banyakan halok hikam KHADC barkira yo ka tebun chapang ka council yakani ulai thu ikila pathai khubor hadin ka iakynduh ikitei nongpathai khubor ki balawan iakynduh ikihe ka KHADC mantep chapang ki rukam trekam ka KHADC barki riti dosto sensyal khadar ki balapet daga council
Mentaga janmim iakynduh ikini porlok nagi media house baper na po ka state Maharashtra bakanthop na po Mumbai nangta na po Nagpur Pune nagi channel baper kajing iakynduh kalau pas mutunat namar bangi oban interai kajing dei bat kai ka district council ki kamram ki jongkang bat ka kitri kam kumnu but Sngewkmen cipunang ni ngidon ge mungkin saya introduce ye PhD bit ba kilalian so many thing nangi kam tam gajing de gajing don jongka district councils namar bisu tu ya po Maharashtra ke nomlong kumalong ka system gajungi yang ni ide ba aja ya kalong kami ya something about it is a material society. I think you understand that we are very unique and different regarding on the land issue also is very different. Here we have the more community land, you don't get cloud hima, get cloud right, cloud snong, get cloud simet. Kamlong ke balong hapo Maharashtra. Tinang tala dia kerana ka forest tu angni ya ki cloud adong, ki cloud no snong, ki cloud pur kaya pen. Tinang tala kajinya day bat ka jingdon juga district council kut ke jongi kaba pelenggi tribal ka kies kan ya po ka district council kut jongi nangta igapun wikiweiru kibangi akren. It is a very beautiful meeting that we get this opportunity to interact with our friends from different media house in Maharashtra. So we also will learn many things from you regarding in Maharashtra because I think Maharashtra is a very big state.
Tribal population in Meghalaya, their traditions and how they are preserving their all traditions, and that was very informative as well as quite important also because Maharashtra is now become a lot of urban place. So we are not like our traditions, or we are going away with it now, and you are preserving it. That is a very commendable thing in my point of view. And we need to we have also some like they said Chakri Guru. We have also some kind of tradition at our state, but still we are very fastly urbanizing, and that is one issue. And I think we have to learn this from you how to protect our traditions and our cultural जो भी lineage है वो, that is important aspect. And as urban state or as a big state, as Mumbai is a commercial capital and entertainment capital, we are staying in that place, and so that is the reason that we are very fastly urbanizing. So that is what I think. What I think we get this point here. We have to protect our traditions and all these things, and that is very important. That is actually very good thing. Actually, women are empowered is the good thing. Being woman, I appreciate it. Also, I felt that inheritance is important, is necessary also, because everyone should get right of property and everything. So that is also much needed, I think, state.
And to know Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council from different dimensions, including history, functions and roles. And definitely we were enlightened about executive, legislative and judicial powers, because this kind of system is very unique to northeastern states, and particularly about Meghalaya, and that too about Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. So we were happy to interact with Honorable Chairman, Deputy CEM and Executive Member, and they enriched our knowledge base, I would say, about the traditions, customs, beliefs of Khasi people, as well as the changes that are taking place, including in urban areas and as well as in community also. So that is definitely a rich cultural exchange, I would say, and I am sure we have made good friends, and we will cherish our friendship together in times to come. And we thank Press Information Bureau for arranging this visit and Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council for hosting us.